If God were to offer a prayer for you, it might sound something like this. My beloved child, may you walk in the light of truth and love. May your heart find peace, even in troubled times. I have placed strength within you. Do not be afraid, for I am always with you. May your burdens be lifted and your spirit be renewed. When you feel lost, know that I am guiding your steps. When you feel weary, rest in my presence. I bless you with wisdom to see beyond the temporary, with courage to embrace the unknown, and with love that overflows into the lives of those around you. You are cherished beyond measure, and nothing can separate you from my love. Amen.